Welcome to WebStarBrush. How to find the kth or kth element in a linked list. Well, first of all, what is a linked list? Imagine a chain of boxes, each connected to the next one. That's the basic idea behind a linked list. Each box represents a node, and the connection between them represents a pointer or a link. Each node has two main parts, data and next. Data is the content of the box. It could be a number, a string, or any other type of data. Next is a pointer to the next box in the chain. It's like an arrow saying, hey, after me, you go to this box. Okay, let's write a function that finds the kth or kth element in a linked list using JavaScript. Okay, first up, we have our node class. Think of this as a building block for our linked list. Each node has two properties, data and next. Data holds the actual value or information. Next is a pointer or a link to the next node in the list. For a new node, it's set to null because it doesn't point to anything yet. Here we are introducing our main character, the linked list class. It starts with a head, which is the entry point to our list. If the list is empty, the head is null. It's like the front door to our list mention. Using append, we can add new node at the end of the linked list. Our linked list needs data, right? The append method lets us add data to the end. We start by creating a brand new node with the given data. Quick check here. If there is no head, meaning the list is empty, our new node becomes the head. It's like the first guest entering our list mention. If the list isn't empty, we walk through each room or node until we find the last one. Then we link our new node to the end. Think of it as adding a new room to our mention. Here is the star of our show, the get kth from end method. We are using a super cool two-pointer technique. Imagine you and your friend racing in a hallway, but your friend gets a head start. So we give the first pointer, your friend, a head start of k nodes. If at any time during this head start, the first pointer runs out of rooms or nodes, we know the hallway or list is too short and we just return null. And then the race begins. Both pointers move one node at a time. When the first pointer, your friend, finishes the race, our second pointer will be at the desired kth node or kth node from the end. If the second pointer landed on a valid node, we return its data. If not, we give back a null. Okay, so here is how we use this function. Create a linked list and append values to it. Once you have a list, you can use getKth from end method to retrieve the kth element from the end of the list. For example, for the second element from the end, the output will be 4. For the third, it will be 3. For fourth, it will be 2. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.